Good morning, y'all. It's a bit of a sad day. Poor little log cabin potato tower. It's not doing so good. I'm pretty sure that thing's gonna die. I'll give it another few days, but not so much on that one. This one's doing all right. This one, however, I did thought about it. I'd rather have production than to keep with the experiment on this one. So I started adding regular soil and all that, you know, the mix that I've been making, the topsoil, peat moss, manure, all that. That one's doing good. Not so good. Look at these. The radishes are doing great. I don't know how well you can see it in there, but little sprigs there and over here. The onions are kind of doing it. I mean, obviously the potato plants are, look at that one. They're doing pretty good. The radish, or the turnips here, they're doing good. The carrots are slowly coming out. And then these ones are doing pretty good. Let's pause it, I'll be right back. Here's my three sisters experiment. Yes, went with the container. On the sides, there are holes. What I've got is, I believe that's beans. The ones that are coming up, I believe that's beans. That may be my corn, I'm not real sure right now. I'll have to look at my map. But if that's a leaf. But yeah, that part's doing good. And beans, actually those may be beans, I'm not real sure. Again, I'll have to check my map. But what I did was corn and then beans and I think it was pickling cucumbers on the back and zucchini up front. Not real sure, or vice versa. But in there are the pink-eyed cowpeas, kind of like what Palmetto was talking about. That was kind of cool that he dropped that video. I was wondering if those types of legumes would do good around here, and hopefully they do. But yeah, and that was a store-bought. Unfortunately, I did not read the label, but if y'all look, little H word right there. I'm not a fan of that. Read the labels. But I got one there. There's one starting to form there, and one there. And I will have another container this weekend. I'm gonna work on these containers a bit more. Anyway, it's Private here. Y'all have a blessed day.